guys, it's Usernamekate and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a product unboxing, reveal, review. It's a brand new product to hit the market from Datatool. Now I say brand new, there is something else there on the market like it. However, if you stick around and watch this video through, I will show you guys why this thing trumps it. So with Datatool, you have their motto, lock it, track it, mark it. So as you guys know, Datatool have the lock it covered. They have their croc lock, which is a lock that goes on the handlebars and pulls the brake in so that you can't just push it away. They have also teamed up with Image for Security. Now you might recognise that name because I know that TMF does a lot with those guys, but they've teamed up with them to cover the lock it aspect of their motto. Then they've got the track it part covered, as you guys know, because I have one on my bike. They have the Datatool Stealth S5 tracking unit, so they've got you covered there. I actually got some statistics from Dan at Datatool, and he said that in the last week, so from Monday to Friday when I got the statistics, there had been 29 recoveries using the Datatool Stealth S5, which I think is brilliant. And now this, the market. This is where Datatool DNA comes in, the brand new product from Datatool. What is it? Well, this is Datatool's very own security marking system. So to put it into layman's terms for you guys, it is a quite similar concept to Data Tag. You may be familiar with that brand. However, this has a lot of benefits over that specific security marking product. For those who haven't heard of this concept, in here there is a little tub and it is full of thousands of data dots. Now data dots have unique codes on the dots, and those codes are secured on a database that the police can access. So the dots are almost invisible to the naked eye, and you need a UV light and a magnifying glass to find that code on there. But once you have it, the police can identify it on stolen bikes. But once the data dots are on the bike, it's pretty much impossible to remove them, and the police can track back your bike to you. So without further ado, I'm going to open the box and see what's inside. Right, so let's have a look what's inside. God, you can tell they work in security. Even the bloody box is tamper proof. Okie dokie, so let's see what you get. Right, so you get a nice little pack. So inside you have the Datatool DNA applicator. So inside you have the Datatool DNA applicator. So in the pack you have a Datatool user guide, which has got a little QR code to show you what to do. You get a little domed theft deterrent sticker. You get a sticker here, which is an NFC sticker. For you guys that don't know what NFCs are, I didn't either. What you do is you basically select on your phone to allow it to scan NFCs, and you hover your phone over this, it picks up the NFC, and that is where the police can then access it straight away, and it will tell them who you are and who the bike belongs to. Again, we've got another sticker. We have a look in here. So you also get a booklet as well, where inside here it tells you what you get. It tells you step 1, which is the registration. I'm covering up the pin there, but you've got this to register it with. Scan me, quite self-explanatory. Then you've got installation information, application points, where on the bike to apply. If you've got a scooter or an ATV, it tells you different places there. Same with a crosser. And then you've got frequently asked questions, as well as contact information. So let's get this little bad boy applied. I'm going to apply it to my GS. Right guys, as you can see, there's a lot of places that I need to apply this, so I'm going to crack on. It says that it can be done in 5 minutes, so I'll give it a go. Okay guys, so I'm going to fit the NFC sticker. So to give you guys an idea as to what this is like, on an Android, I don't know about Apple, but you find the NFC button and then you just hold it over. And there you go, it takes you to it. Three quick reasons why you would choose a Datatool DNA over a data tag. Firstly, data tag is going to cost you £80 if you want to buy it and apply it to your bike. The Datatool DNA is $39.99, so it's already half the price. Reason number two, there is no ongoing fees with a Datatool DNA. You do the one-off price and then you have it. You have the product to apply to your bike. It is allocated to you. And if you sell your bike, there's no transfer fees. It's not going to cost you £20 like it does with competitors to change the details, or even if you were to move address and not necessarily sell the bike. With data tag, you would need to pay an admin fee, which again, like 20 quid. This, no fees, just done online or on the app. Or you could give the guys at Datatool a call and they will swap it over for you or change the address. And then the third reason, the dots. They're super, super tiny. So normally the dots are 1mm thick, but these are half a mil thick, so they're even smaller. Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video, this little unboxing, you know, talking to you guys about the brand new product from Datatool. Just for you guys, if you want to get 10% off the Datatool DNA, if you use the code, they will kindly honour that for you guys. Also, whilst I'm on the topic of discounts, Datatool Stealth S5, that discount code still stands. So again, Usernamekate, £50 off the unit, so it takes it down from £359 to £309 with the code. Well, I hope that you've liked this. As you guys know, Datatool is my sponsor. Go show them some love, go follow them on socials. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. It really helps and it means the world. And I'm sorry if I've been going cross-eyed through this video. I still have labyrinthitis and it has affected my vision, so I can kind of feel myself maybe going a bit bog-eyed, so yeah, apologies if I look crazy. Okay guys, until the next one, take care, speak soon. It says that it It says that it can be done in 5 minutes.